Good morning. Wanted to give you just a quick tutorial of what I built here. So this is all driven by AI, but this is basically a central portal where you're going to manage just about, everything that you can do within your real estate business and portfolio. And the strategy here, the mission, Jeff, like we discussed, is want to create an experience. So here we're going to have our lead generation platform where we're going to manage all your leads. We're going to have the operations piece as far as the contact. So any contacts that come in via text, email, voicemail, or anything will go through an AI automated response that will be quick, and you can manage the whole client and leads there. And also the location strategy we talked about, Jeff, was for every listing we're going to build a demographic platform that shows the schools, the restaurants, lifestyles of the data for every specific listing. And this will all be done by AI too. You just type in the listing and we'll have AI map out a whole plan of all the areas, different things near a listing. And here's the strategy. Core capabilities here is basically this will do our drone footage or any video or predictive management as far as the leads or any of your business models. This is where we'll manage all your content and information within this area here. And AI will parse it out and develop different content for us. But here's a social media platform where we can have all your Facebook, your calendar here, your actually launch and send your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Twitter ads from here, generated by AI. Then we'll have listings, all your listings that you have. We'll have different, as you can tell, we'll have drone footage, property details, SEO generation as far as email blasts, photos, social captions, different things that we can generate via AI. And then here's the location strategy as far as neighborhood dossiers, reports on schools and restaurants and lifestyle stats, commutes, walkability, forecasting, and also trying to plan for any possible new home buyers or sellers, whatever you're trying to do at the time. And this is a timeline based on what we can do as far as rolling this out. And here's KPIs that we can do as far as the lead qualification rate, how good are the leads that we generate or receive, the cost per lead per production, because the goal is to save cost on everything you do, where you can manage and develop more leads with less time. That's the goal of this whole thing. So I have a dashboard too that manages your particular areas. So this is your new leads that qualified. This how many bookings that you showed within a certain time period, hours saved by using AI. Then we'll have an engagement model that tells us how often did you have to contact versus AI contacting your possible home buyers. I got an escrow in here that if you wanted to, I wanted you to be able to manage everything through this platform. This is also an activity log by specific leads. If you hit your hamburger, I call it a hamburger, but that's just your your links to different areas. So this is your actual lead pipeline. You got Michael Chen. He's looking for the 3 beds in the north side. I just put in dummy data just to show how we can look at the leads. Got the content engine here where this is all the assets we can upload, browse right from here, and we can do certain, like this right here. This is, we can generate all kinds of different collateral or social posts, video clips, whatever we need. This is all done by an AI agent. We have an agent that runs this for us that we can put in rules. And this is where you can publish and auto syndicate your social media. But this is a full, and it's actually up and running. We can put new listings in here. But I wanted you to take a look and see what capabilities that we have, and that we can expand this however you want. But I just wanted to put this together because this is what I do now. I solve business problems to make them easier on everybody. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk soon. Bye.